Hello everyone, welcome to the portal of ArthaPoint, which is courses.arthapoint.com learn. And here on this portal, beta, you can go ahead and have a look at various categories of courses, which is IIT JAM, CUET, MA Economics, DEPR, DU semester courses and whatnot. If you click on DU semester courses, you will be able to see the various courses on the portal which are available to you. A lot of these courses are an initiative of ArthaPoint, which means that we are not charging any fees, beta. This is only the portal fees, in which you have introductory mathematical methods for economics, introductory microeconomics, introductory statistics for economics. Then you have intermediate macroeconomics, semester 3, intermediate macroeconomics This is a paid course. Only this is for 5,000. So you can clearly see that in the paid course, if you click, you will also go ahead and get access to various assignments and you will get access to various other concepts also. So you see here, you also have additional lecture, you have notes, you have assignments, everything is part of the paid course. For all the subjects, you can see past year papers being solved. You can see past year papers being solved and important numericals being discussed in the paid course. So this is a paid course, which is for macroeconomics. But if you go ahead and if you look into the other courses of DU economic semester, they are available for no fees. This is only the portal fees that we are charging. Similarly, if you go ahead and you look into the 5th semester, game theory is a paid course in which we are solving various problem sets also. But other than game theory, other courses like economic growth and business cycle, like introductory development economics, these are all the initiative, only portal fees is being charged. And if you go ahead and you look into this introductory development economics, you can see that I have gone ahead and I have covered a lot of the course, even though it is an initiative. You can see that unit 1 is completely covered. You can see that unit 2 is covered, and you can see that unit 4 is also completely covered. In unit 3 also, we have covered one chapter. So this is the link to our portal. You can go ahead, you can have a look at the various courses. Similarly, if you go ahead and you have a look at the IIT JAM courses, here you will be able to see the different mock test series for IIT JAM that have been launched. At the same time, you will be able to also see the question bank for CUET, which has been now launched, and you will be able to see the different other courses also, right? These are only few of the courses, beta. We do provide more courses also. These are the courses which you can directly access. But if you want a full-fledged course on IIT JAM or a full-fledged course on MA Economics entrance or a full-fledged course on Indian Economic Service, you can always contact Rohit sir and he will go ahead and he will talk about the different courses that we have. So I just wanted to quickly show you the portal of ArthaPoint, and all of you can go to this portal and you can have a look at different courses. Okay, beta, thank you. Beta, today we will discuss some of the important questions from intermediate macroeconomics point of view. ठीक है, देखते हैं कि एग्जाम में किस किस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस इंटरमीडिएट मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स से आ सकते हैं. But the first question that can be asked in exam, that is going to be on weight setting, price setting relationship. ठीक है, weight setting, price setting relationship में there can also be a numerical in exam. है ना, आपको एक वेट सेटिंग रिलेशनशिप पे इक्वेशन दे सकते हैं. They can give you an equation on price setting relationship and they can ask you to solve for natural level of unemployment. ये पहला हो गया बेटा. Secondly, they can ask you इसी में कि what happens when there is increase in markup. ठीक है, what happens when there is increase in the value of Z. ठीक है, when will wage setting relationship shift, when will price setting relationship shift, तो ये हम लोगों का बेटा this is the first part, very important part from the point of view of exam, ठीक है. Secondly बेटा they can ask you questions on unemployment, employment, ठीक है. They can ask you कि calculate employment rate, कुछ डेटा देकर, हाँ, they can ask you calculate unemployment rate, है ना, कुछ पॉपुलेशन दे दिया, वर्कफोर्स दे दिया, पॉपुलेशन में से नंबर ऑफ पीपल एम्प्लॉयड दे दिए, एंड देन दे आस्क यू फाइंड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट, लाइक दैट क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड इन एग्जाम, ठीक है. तीसरा बेटा, थर्ड, दे कैन गो इन द सेम चैप्टर वेज सेटिंग प्राइस सेटिंग रिलेशनशिप, तो दे कैन आस्क यू दैट विच फैक्टर्स affect wage setting relationship, which factors affect wage setting relationship, which factors affect the price setting relationship, ठीक है. इसी में बेटा you should be aware about the entire labor unions and labor market क्या कर सकता है और labor wages को कैसे affect कर सकता है, वो वाला जो पूरा aspect है जो हमने अपने lectures में discuss किया है, you have to be very aware of that, ठीक है. ठीक है बेटा, next thing that can be asked in exam, it is the short run versus long run Phillips curve, ठीक है. they can go ahead and ask you कि what is the long run Phillips curve, how does it differ from short run Phillips curve, क्यों short run Phillips curve fail हुआ, reasons why the long run Phillips curve is better than short run Phillips curve, and इसी में they can go ahead and they can ask you about augmented Phillips curve. Okay, they can ask you what is augmented Phillips curve. Again, they can go ahead and they can ask you a small numerical. हमने ये again I have done these numericals in the class very well. So they can go ahead and they can ask you numerical on Phillips curve also. आपको ये numerical अच्छे से करना जरूरी है. That I can go ahead and ask you find the inflation, if change in inflation, if I want to change unemployment by this much. ऐसे करके numerical जो भी मैंने क्लास में करवाए हैं, they are important. But for all these chapters, you should be aware that there will also be true false statements, है ना. और I have done many true false statement with you in class. तो वो सारा true false statement भी you have to go ahead and you have to do those also very well. ठीक है. But a fifth, they can give you some statements to justify. जैसे there can be high unemployment even with low, there can be high inflation कर लेते हैं, there can be high inflation even with high unemployment rate. माने इन्फ्लेशन तो हाई है ही, बट तो भी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट हाई है. सो हाउ डज फिलिप्स कर्व जस्टिफाई दिस? तो फिलिप्स कर्व इसको कैसे जस्टिफाई करता है, यू हैव टू गो एंड यू हैव टू टेल अबाउट दैट. बट नेक्स्ट, दे कैन आस्क यू अबाउट द एक्सपेक्टेशन थ्योरीज. ये सारा ही एक्सपेक्टेशन थ्योरी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. यूजुअली दिस कम्स एज अ फुल फ्लेजेड क्वेश्चन फॉर 10 to 15 मार्क्स. अपने आप में एक एक्सपेक्टेशन थ्योरी कैन बी आस्क्ड इन एग्जाम. सो यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट द फीचर्स, आपको अच्छे से याद करने हैं फीचर्स ऑफ ऑल एक्सपेक्टेशन थ्योरीज. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज अडैप्टिव एक्सपेक्टेशन, है ना, व्हाट इज रैशनल एक्सपेक्टेशन. वी हैव डन दिस इन क्लास, बेटा हमने अच्छे से किया है कि व्हाट इज अडैप्टिव एक्सपेक्टेशन, व्हाट इज रैशनल एक्सपेक्टेशन. एंड वी हैव आल्सो डन दिस इन क्लास कि इनके फीचर्स, जैसे विच एक्सपेक्टेशन थ्योरी हैज सिस्टमैटिक एरर, है ना. What are the features of different expectation theories? Which expectation theory is more accurate? है ना? Where do you see that monetary policy is ineffective? कौन सी expectation theory में monetary policy ineffective होती है? Rational या adaptive, and why? एंड व्हाट इज, यहीं से बेटा आई हैव डन दिस मल्टीपल टाइम्स इन क्लास, एक फुल फ्लेजेड आंसर भी मैंने आपको डिक्टेट करवाया हुआ है. सो व्हाट इज पॉलिसी इनइफेक्टिवनेस, है ना? तो इस पे वी हैव गिवन, आई हैव गिवन यू आंसर, आई हैव डिक्टेटेड दैट आंसर फॉर यू. तो उस आंसर को आपको अच्छे से पढ़ना है. दैट इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ एग्जाम. ठीक है बेटा? ओके. देन बेटा नेक्स्ट इज द रिलेशनशिप. अच्छा, आई हैव डन मल्टीपल क्वेश्चंस ऑन मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स, है ना? तो वो जो क्वेश्चंस हैं, अगर आप वो क्वेश्चंस अच्छे से कर लो तो डेफिनेटली यू विल स्कोर वेरी गुड मार्क्स इन योर मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स पेपर. इट इज गारंटीड, राइट? तो इफ यू गो टू द पोर्टल, वहां पे आपको दिखेगा आई हैव सॉल्व्ड ऑल पास्ट ईयर पेपर्स, I have solved, I've given enough problem sets, और एक एक चीज का आंसर I have written and given it to you. So if you do that well, definitely it will help you in clearing the exam. Okay, beta? अच्छा, so relationships. How Phillips curve, Okun's law, and AD curve, how these three are related to each other. How these three are related to each other. कैसे ये तीनों एक दूसरे के साथ related हैं. That will also go ahead and that will also come in exam. ठीक है? अच्छा, another very important question बेटा, very very important question. Discuss criticism of traditional approach to disinflation given by Lucas on one hand and Taylor on other hand. Discuss criticism of the traditional approach given by Lucas on one hand and Taylor on the other hand. कि क्या difference है दोनों की approach में? You have to go ahead and you have to tell about that. ठीक है? But this is part 1 of the important questions. I will come up with another part to wrap up all the important questions. But in the meanwhile, you try and revise all of these concepts. Try to also do the past year paper. Past year papers are super important. हर चैप्टर के जितने भी ट्रू फॉल्स हो सकते हैं, ट्राई टू रिवाइज ऑल ट्रू फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट्स. दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. न्यूमेरिकल्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ एग्जाम. आप कोई भी न्यूमेरिकल नहीं छोड़ोगे. वी हैव डन इनफ न्यूमेरिकल्स इन क्लास. एंड लूकास थ्योरी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ एग्जाम. सो यू मेक श्योर दैट यू डू लूकास थ्योरी वेरी वेरी वेल. ओके? ठीक है बेटा, थैंक यू.